Hey, have you been feeling okay lately?
Honestly, not really.
What's going on?
I've just been stressed with work.
Yeah, work can do that.
It feels like there's always more to do.
I totally understand.
Sometimes I just wish I could relax more.
I get that. It's hard to switch off sometimes.
Exactly, especially with all the emails.
Do you ever take breaks during work?
I try, but it's hard to find the time.
I know what you mean, but breaks are important.
Yeah, I've heard that.
Even just 5 minutes to step away can help clear your mind.
That's true. I should try doing that more.
I think you'd feel a bit better.
Maybe, but it feels like I'm always running out of time.
I get that too. Time always feels tight.
It's like there's always something to do.
Yeah, and it doesn't help when everything feels urgent.
Exactly. It's exhausting.
Do you find that you get tired easily?
Yes, definitely. It's hard to keep my energy up.
I think stress can really drain your energy.
It does, and it's hard to get out of that cycle.
Have you tried any stress relief activities?
I've tried yoga, but I haven't kept up with it.
Yoga can be really helpful. Even a few minutes a day can make a difference.
I should try that again. I just need to find the time.
What about meditation?
I've heard about it, but I don't really know how to start.
It's simpler than you think. Just sitting quietly and focusing on your breath for a few minutes.
That sounds calming.
It really is. I've started doing it for just 5 minutes in the morning.
5 minutes sounds manageable.
It really helps to clear your mind.
I might try it.
I think you'll feel better afterward.
I need to make time for things like that.
Making time for yourself is important.
Yeah, I keep telling myself that.
You should take it seriously. Even small moments matter.
That's true. Maybe I need to rethink my schedule.
I think that would help.
I guess it's all about balance.
Exactly. Finding that balance between work and rest.
It's harder than it sounds.
It definitely can be, but it's worth trying.
I'll try to balance things better this week.
That's a good start.
I hope it works out.
It will. Just take it one step at a time.
Thanks for the encouragement.
Anytime.
I really appreciate it.
Of course. We all need a little reminder now and then.
That's true.
I'm glad we talked about this.
Me too. It feels good to share.
Yeah, sometimes just talking helps so much.
It really does.
You're not alone in this.
Thanks. That means a lot.
I've got your back.
I'm lucky to have a friend like you.
I feel the same way.
Let's make sure we check in more often.
Definitely.
I think that will help both of us.
Agreed. It's nice to know we have each other's support.
Absolutely. Having someone to talk to makes a huge difference.
I agree. It's like a weight lifted off my shoulders.
Sometimes just sharing your thoughts helps you see things clearly.
Exactly. You don't realize how much you're holding in until you talk about it.
It's easy to get caught up in the stress and forget to check in with yourself.
Yeah, I tend to ignore my own feelings when I'm busy.
But taking a step back is key to finding balance.
I think that's what I need to focus on more, taking a step back.
It can make a big difference. Even small moments of pause can reset your mindset.
I've been meaning to practice mindfulness, but I always push it aside.
Mindfulness doesn't need to take much time. Even a minute or two can help.
That's reassuring. I'll try to make time for it.
It doesn't need to be complicated. Just focus on your breathing and try to let go of the tension.
I like the idea of breathing through it. It sounds peaceful.
It really is. It helps calm the mind and clear out the clutter.
I think I can commit to a few minutes each day.
That's a great start. Just be kind to yourself if you miss a day.
I tend to be hard on myself when I miss things.
It happens, and it's okay. The key is to keep going.
You're right. I'm going to focus on being gentler with myself.
That's a good mindset to have. Progress isn't always perfect.
I'm learning that, slowly but surely.
And that's what matters. The fact that you're trying and making an effort.
It feels nice to hear that.
You deserve to hear it. You're doing great.
Thanks. That means a lot. I feel a little more hopeful now.
I'm glad.
It's all about taking things step by step.
I'll keep that in mind. Small steps.
Exactly. Those small steps lead to bigger changes.
It's comforting to know that. It doesn't feel so overwhelming anymore.
That's the power of focusing on the present moment instead of the future.
I tend to get stuck thinking too far ahead.
I get that, but remember, you don't need to have everything figured out right away.
That's something I've been reminding myself of lately.
It's a process, and you're doing well.
Thanks for saying that. I needed to hear it.
You're welcome. You've got this. Just keep going at your own pace.
I will. I'm going to try my best.
And that's all anyone can do.
I feel more confident after talking about it with you.
I'm happy to hear that. You can always talk to me when you need to.
I'll definitely remember that.
We all need a little support now and then.
You're right. I'm grateful for it.
It's what friends are for.
I'm lucky to have you around.
The feeling is mutual.
Let's make sure we check in like this more often.
Absolutely. Regular check-ins help keep us on track.
I'll start making that a priority.
That sounds like a great plan.
Thanks for being such a good listener.
Anytime. We're in this together.
I'll remember that for sure.
Take it one day at a time. You're doing great.
Thanks. I'll keep that in mind.
You've got this. Keep moving forward.
I'm ready to take on the day now.
That's the spirit.
Let's do this.